ngafika lapha ngabheka ngagoba phansi. I cried. The pain, it brought doubt to me. Must doubt. Asihlukane nabantu abangakholelwa kuthina.
Yo.
But how nice it is. There's something I posted on Facebook.
Sure.
That you are blessed as a person.
Sure.
If une partner ekholela kuwena.
Kahle asishawa amazwi abantu abakhulumayo. Sishawa ukuthi abobani abakhuluma lawo mazwi.
Who said that? Uyazi ukuthi kunabantu abazokuzondela ukuthi bakhuluma amazwi amabi ngento yenzayo but waphumelela noma sebakhulumile.
Yo. Ebafethu, if you have never complimented us when we're doing good, you have no right to criticize us when we go off road.
Shut up.
If you were not there during my struggle, you don't deserve to be there during my celebration.
My celebration. Sure.
Umenzi akakhohlwa. Kodwa umenziwa hayi
no but umenziwa akakhohlwa umenzi uyakhohlwa.
Yeah, khona lokho okay.
Repeat
Greetings South Africa. This is Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi. Bafethu, welcome to yet another exciting episode of Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi. This is a place where we have real conversations with real gents, with real Amadoda. Smooth as always, put.
Mabunda mfethu.
All right.
Ngiright mfethu ngibingelele ngithemba mangabu right.
Hayi ngiphilile mfethu ngiphilile nje.
No, sibingelele yonke South Africa. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi. Siyabonga bafethu sesikhona siya Real Talk.
Yeah, ningakhohle bafethu, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also if you want to partner with us by giving or donating towards this podcast, there is long method. Check out the details below as well la ku screen, and then just our account details that is there. Nithi madoda, keep on doing a good thing because it takes money put.
Yeah, it takes money. Actually, one thing I've discovered, I thought nalama sim card asemgacweni na free laba kunika wona.
Sure.
They are free. No, they are not free.
They're not free.
Yeah, the moment ufake airtime,
someone gets paid.
Yeah, so ayikho into mahali emhlabeni. You might think mahali, but
it's not.
Yeah.
Khona ngizwayo.
Yeah, you will pay.
Futhi.
Sure.
I want us to have a conversation. I hope you'll slowly get used to my style of starting conversations.
No.
Which it's by starting by asking a questions, then we flow from
that. Yeah.
I hope you don't mind.
No, I don't mind.
And you understand. I'm still trying to figure out myself.
Sure,
be patient
problem,
with me.
No problem.
Puti, I want to ask you a question. Is there any weight or weights that someone once spoke to you that crusher to this day I was called, though you might have healed, but you don't forget who said those words and you don't forget those words. You may not mention who said those words, but can you kindly tell us those words and the damage that they did to you as a person?
Sure. Hey, what a deep conversation.
Sure.
You are being personal. You know what I mean when I say you are being personal.
Sure. It's the real talk.
I now understand manje but ukuthi why uNkulunkulu angidlulisa kulezi zinto angidlulisa kuzona. Because ave kubhlungu ukuthi ukhuluma into ongandlulanga kuyona.
Sure.
Umuntu okhuluma into ngoba andlulile.
Sure.
Oyilalela ondlula kuleyo nto uyarelate but umuntu okhuluma into angandlulanga kuyona.
Sure.
Nalo ondlule kuyona kamuzwa kahle, understand?
Sure.
So things that we share here on Real Talk,
sure.
I can say 90% of those things,
sure.
It's some things that I've went through.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Puti, people, they know me as a preacher.
Sure.
Some they know me as a motivational speaker.
Sure.
Some they know me as umuntu okhuluma ngama relationships.
Sure.
It differ the encounter.
Sure.
As uJesu naye
bamazi ngendlela
ehlukene. Khona bamazi ngendodana kaMaria noJosepha.
Sure.
Khona bamazi njengenkosi nomsindisi. Khona bamazi njengomprofeti.
Sure.
But it differ ukuthi udibana nayiphi encounter.
Sure.
Ngilento engiyona namhlanje.
Sure.
But khona la ngisuka khona.
Sure.
angivelanga ngavela.
Yeah.
You can trace me, ungitrace. That is why but a calling need to be traced.
Sure.
Ukuthi uvela ubani. You cannot just uvumbuke.
Show up out of nowhere.
Njenge submarine, ingcono ne submarine iyahamba ngaphansi. Lisuka kuphi, you understand? So you can trace me, and if ngathi ukubheka bhuti la sibuya khona mina nawo sicale kule journey sibancane. Yeah, manje sonentshebe lapha bonganayo intshebe nganama amadevami yabona ukuthi kanjani. No, angishaye yabo but yeah. So kudala sikhona kulomkhakha. What ngiyaphi nalenkulumo?
Sure.
Buti mina 2014 or 2013 when I received ukuthi ngine calling.
Sure.
Bengakwazi ukuma phambi kwabantu ngakwazi ukukhuluma.
Sure.
I had passion for motivation.
Sure.
I used to lalela Ukhozi FM. I used to, because awukwazi ukulalela into ongayona.
Sure.
Ukhozi FM bebafaka intshumayelo, motivation.
Sure.
Yangidla lento lokhu ngidla.
Sure.
Yabo. So ngalalela into engiyona.
Sure.
You understand? So what happened is, but I had this thing, man, passion.
Sure.
And this thing in me was boiling.
Sure.
But I don't know how. In my journey of growing to be the person I am.
Sure.
Kunamazwi akhulunywa. Angeke ngize ngicede if I can go deeper, but there was one incident that happened into my life.
Sure.
The time ngirelocate ngiza ngapha eThembisa, there's a radio station ekhona.
Sure.
Kuthiwa Voice of Thembisa.
Sure.
You know, uyazi musokuthiwa lapha yana, it's a local radio.
Sure.
Everyone ofuna ukushow case italente.
Yeah.
Obvious local radio stations,
sure.
they do that.
Sure.
Nama had that excitement about
sure.
like mina into ngicabanga ngiphupha, I wanted to be on radio.
Yeah.
Ngikhuluma ngimotivator nani, you know the passion I used to have.
Passion. Yeah.
What happened mfana ngithi, and ukusuka la eThembisa la bengihlala khona eTsolopila ukuya eSangweni.
Sure.
It was a long distance. I think it's 1 hour if walk kahle kahle.
Sure.
I didn't mind to go there.
Sure.
Ngithole opportunity ngiwalk noma nganayo imali yokugibela.
Sure.
Because into nganginayo ngifuna ukuphilisa abantu. Ngifuna ukuba sombhobweni onganathemba abe nethemba.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Ngifuna ukukhomba ke bhuti ukuthi ipassion enganginayo, even though isimo ngangiso.
Sure.
Isimo ngangiso ngangingekho encourage.
Sure.
But ungizwe kahle ngange discouraged.
Sure.
But ngiyo encourage abantu.
Sure.
Ngifuna ukukhomba amandla passion.
Sure.
I didn't mind to go there.
Sure.
Angifika lapha na bhuti ngishaya icassette lami mfowethu.
You had a literal cassette.
Okay, not cassette. Okay, sengashe phone ngangirecordile. Yeah, ngayirecorda i-motivation yami. Yeah, umbona lapha na ngiserious bana. Hey, Bundas. You don't get it.
Sure.
Mangifika lapha na ngiyamkhomba lo mfo ngithi mfowethu, ngine passion for motivate abantu.
Unegama lo mfo?
Ngiyamkhohle igama lakhe.
Okay.
Ngine passion u general bathini ibiza
general manager,
station manager. Yes.
Sure.
Emfethu ngine passion for ukumotivate abantu.
Sure.
Ngiyacela mfethu, I don't mind to grow with the radio station.
Sure. That was back in 2014-15?
No, 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nginesicelo noma kuthiwa so 2 minutes.
Sure.
But before mfethu, because angiyena umuntu mina ongathanda ukuthi ngikhulume ngani ngomlomo, na umsebenzi wami ngicela uyibheke. Angafuni ukuyibheka but ngimforce, can you please mfethu wayilalela Mabunda for 10 seconds.
Aibo. Literally 10 seconds.
Yeah, wayibheka wathi, you know amaza wa release lapho.
What thing?
Ayikho lento yakho.
Yo. Wait man. You have walked a distance here 1 hour. You get an opportunity with the station manager, a radio manager. Umnikeza your audio or recorded phone. Then aphendule ayilalele for 10 seconds. Then akutshele ayikho lento yakho.
Angeke uzuye ndawo.
Yo.
Asikwazi ukuthi abantu bangakulalela. Go and try somewhere leyo nto ufuna ukuyenza. Mabunda, there's a bridge lapha eSangweni. I won't forget that time.
Sure.
Likhona namanje.
Sure.
Mawungazi ukuthi uyaphuma kune park la esidini.
Sure.
emfethu ngitshela ukuthi ngafika lapha ngabheka ngagoba phansi. I cried. The pain, it brought doubt to me. Doubt.
Yo, I think I understand, but I don't want to disturb you as you speak loud.
Ngaba buhlungu enhlizweni.
Sure.
And kwakudlala abantwana lapana because ngaba nento ukuthi angifuni babone ngathi ngiyakhala.
Sure.
But I wanted to release lento ngaphakathi, and I questioned God. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngabe impela I'm called for this thing. Into angishaka kakhulu lamazwi. Ngiyayibona rejection.
Yeah, ayikho
lento yakho. Okusho mfethu, you are not lento qabanga ukuthi uyiyo. Abort this thing. But kunabantu mfethu, mina I believe kunabantu ababizelwe into ethize.
Sure.
But into yabo ya abortwa.
Sure.
Ngamazwi abantu abawakhuluma kanti lento iseseyincane.
Yo.
But umntwana kenzeka angakwazi ukuhamba asesibelethweni sikama wakhe.
Sure.
Angakwazi ukukhuluma noma sazaliwe.
Sure.
But uma ngabe uzomdiscourage, umname, umkhathe, uthi akasoza akhuluma, akasoza hamba. There are people out there who are talented in gifting, in singing,
sure,
who are talented in everything, but kwakhulunywa amazwi. Mina by the grace of God, mabona.
Sure.
Ngokuthi ngiyakholwa futhi during that time I was spiritually fit kakhulu.
Sure.
Even namanje. So what I'm trying to say, but ngaba uNkulunkulu wangirescue.
Sure.
What man rescue, I ngabona another angle.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So but then I was amazed in the long run because FM called us. Saba content
contributors.
I was like a lot of things. And the worst mfethu. Ngamkhuluma nama parable.
Yo, but I wanted to say this thing. Wa reject a local radio station. A totally call from a national.
SABC.
From local to national. Yo.
Yeah.
From millions of,
sure,
millions of listeners, yeah, on radio. Sure.
So put into yamazwi, it's so powerful.
Sure.
That is why even nakuma relationship uthothi umuntu ufika ku relationship no confidence. Kunabantu abangena ku relationship the moment ahlukana nalowo muntu,
sure,
I confidence yaphela. Wangena azazi ukuthi muhle.
Sure.
But amazwi alobe kathandana naye. Wakhuluma izinto ezimbi, amagama amabi, wazibona esengcuno, wazibona asesayi into engelutho. So put amagama goes a long way.
You know mawukhuluma so, but I'm reminded of, actually it's not the only incident. I had thought that you're gonna mention the other one.
Which one?
Because I'm your friend.
Yeah.
You know, and as a friend, zikhona izinto la ushayeka khona, and then you come and cry and say, hey but I can't believe this guy did this. There is a bishop. And there's a man of God. This particular man of God, I think all of us, we are familiar esakhulele Tembisa during the days of MCs and preachers. I'm not going to mention the name of the bishop.
Sure.
Owakubuza wathi sibu ufuna ukwenzani mawukhulu, or what do you want to become? Do you remember amazi awasho kuwena?
Buti ngikhumbula kahle lento. You know Buti, this thing oyikhulumayo.
Sure.
That's why ngithi I'm sorry to say these words.
Sure.
It's something like pride.
Sure. No, say it, man. In fact, they deserve to watch you and hear you say those words. Because of at the end of the day, they tried to surpass you, man. You get what I'm saying? So you have the right to stand boldly and say whatsoever you want to say.
I'm bigger than social media.
Come on. Say that again.
Yeah. Let me just say it.
Yeah.
That is why abantu bang attack ku social media bang attack late.
Ngoba yo
dala nga attack ongakaveli.
Ungakabi nokuba nama followers la now.
You understand?
Sure.
Because put ungizweka, hear me very well mfowethu.
Yes,
hear me very well.
Yes sir.
During that time,
sure,
uma lenceke ikhuluma lento, remember uma ekhuluma lamagama uthi ngimi like bengasebenzi.
Sure.
Mangasebenzi and there was nothing. Bengahlangani lutho.
And let me give you a context about this particular figure that we are talking about.
Sure.
We're talking about a guy that is moneyed. a guy that drives great and beautiful cars.
And unama businesses.
Sure. You know, this figure, I'm trying to give a viewer the figure of the kind of a person la it's not just a normal guy. It's very important to know who said these words.
Okay.
Sure. And a leader of the church, by
it's a leader of a church. It's a bishop.
A bishop, not a normal.
Yeah. I'm going to this man of God because I look up to him.
Sure.
And when I look up to him, get him in again. Hey, mfundisi, ngine passion, ngine sifiso sokuthi ngithi mangikhuluma ngimotivator kube ne invoice after my voice. Yeah, should kube nemali.
Sure.
Ngikhulume bese ngiyakhokhela.
Sure.
Avela ngitshela kahle uBishop, amfana kithi uyadlala, there's no such, you are dreaming. Yeah. Uyokubona angazi kuphi leyo nto, it's something that it engeke izenzeke.
Sure.
But I was crushed.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Is this before the other local radio station or after?
Akuhlangene. It was after.
It was similar.
It was after.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
It was
so
after.
So we should crash a radio station. Ngapha crash a whole bishop.
Yeah, whole bishop.
That is supposed to support and sponsor and guide you.
Yeah.
Sure.
Because hear me very well put. Akukho lula ukuthi ungabulawa ngamazwi omuntu ongenzi lutho empilweni.
Sure.
But into yangibulala ngashaywa ngamazwi ukuthi this person is doing something in life, uyaphusha.
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi une status esiphezulu.
Sure.
And when ngikhuluma naye, I'm expecting ukuthi uzongi-encourage. No man, it's possible.
Sure.
But those words killed me. But uThixo angivusa ngalawo mazwi ngoba kuyenzeka abantu bakubulale but uNkulunkulu akuvusa.
Sure.
And basibuza ukuthi usurvive kanjani after ngoba masidedela amazwi anje yakho usurvive wena.
Sure.
I don't know, but do I make sense?
You make sense, but because the challenge that we have in our generation, it's a challenge yabantu abaphezulu abaqabanga kangathi bazoba phezulu forever.
Which is true.
As a result, when someone younger comes and they look up to you, remember when you have now found yourself, but lo muntu oza kuwo kusafihlekile ukuthi uzoba yini. Hey, angazi if it makes sense. Listen to me very carefully. It might happen that today you are dominating izinto zakho igama lakho liphezulu kakhulu, but there is this young person that is passionate. There are those young people that are band-DM. They are trying to reach. These are people that are full of dreams, full of hope. Remember, abacompete nawe, but they take inspiration from you. Kodwa into ebuhlungu nayi uthi wena uphezulu uphenduke ube udokotela ongapholisi kodwa committee abortion ngoba amazwi akho okudiscourage umuntu omncane onamaphupho angeke loyo muntu omncane akhohlwe ngoba kunabantu abasha namhlanje but abanikeza abantu abadala iattitude. Usibuze ukuthi no lo sisi lo or lo but lo udibana ne celebrity kungani angamkhulumisi kungani kanti that young person uyakhumbula the attitude lo muntu omdala or lo muntu famous amnikeza yona back in the days, because remember man umenzi akakhohlwa kodwa umenziwa hayi man
no put umenziwa akakhohlwa umenzi uyakhohlwa.
Yeah, khona lo okay
repeat it.
Marathon. Come on, chief.
Sorry.
I'm trying to throw some puns here.
Angiyazi nesilungu ithini.
The doer forgets
and the doer
the doer too doesn't forget.
Yeah.
So, but the point is, be careful of the way you handle young people that are passionate, that are full of dreams. Yes, awufuni ukusebenza naye, but it's not what you say when you reject them. It's how you say it when you reject them.
Okay.
Yes,
which is true.
You get what I'm saying? Because ikhona indlela of politely rejecting someone. And iyenza lo muntu omrejectile asale akuhlonipha though you have rejected that person.
Yeah.
But ikinga esinayo about these people that tell themselves that they have arrived in life is the attitude that they give towards young upcoming artists, musicians, preachers or whatsoever.
Yeah. Eputi.
Sure.
Let me say this thing Virtue. Ngiyibeka njengoba injalo.
Sure.
And I want to ngifuna ukuyibeka njengoba isekhanda lami.
Sure.
Ngingayidalute ngayenzi next.
Sure.
But when umuntu ekhuluma amazwi,
sure,
abed amabi,
sure,
afuna ukudiscourage,
sure,
ngento zanayo,
sure,
but wena uyenze lento,
sure,
and uphumelele,
sure,
uyazi ukuthi kunabantu abazokuzondela ukuthi bakhuluma amazwi,
sure,
amabi ngento yenzayo,
sure,
but waphumelela noma sebakhulumile.
Yo,
umuntu akuzondele nje lokho ukuthi you became something that were discouraging you ngayo leyo nto, but anyway you've overcome that thing and uyilento obayi. That is why but ungizwe kahle mfethu.
Sure.
Kholelwa entweni uNkulunkulu akuphe yona ukudlula amazwi azokudiscourage kulento noma azodiscourage lento uNkulunkulu akuphe yona.
Sure. It makes sense.
Angiphinde futhi.
Iphinde.
Kholelwa
sure,
entweni uNkulunkulu akunikeze yona.
Sure.
Ukholele kuyo kakhulu more than amazwi abantu abazowakhuluma.
Sure.
Phes up negative phes kwalento uNkulunkulu akuphe yona.
Sure.
Because but I won't lie to you.
Yeah.
Once in fact wangakholelwa kulento uNkulunkulu akunikeze yona.
Sure.
Amazwi azozo you gonna have uzoba neabortion ba. You gonna abort whatsoever that God has gave you.
Meaning to say Mango, the greatest believer or the first person that is supposed to believe in your dreams, in your goals, it's yourself. Because how do you expect other people to believe in what you are or in what you are carrying if you yourself you don't believe in it? Kunabantu puti that do not believe kulento uNkulunkulu abanikeze yona. Yingakho they are easily moved and easily shaken. But there is something that someone once said. He said once you set a price for a certain good or a product and a certain particular person says the price is too much, it simply means they are not a target market. Ngamanye amagama, the minute you begin to explain your dream or a goal to someone and that person tries to discourage you from achieving or from pursuing that dream, it simply means they are not meant to become part of the dream. And sometimes those people that are not meant to become part of that particular dream, it can be family members, it can be even your partner. Do you know what a partner puti that can discourage you from achieving a certain goal or a certain dream that you have simply because of akakholelwa kuyo loyo muntu othandana naye? It doesn't mean that it's not real. Some of you are supposed to force and push those particular dreams. Because nihlezi emakhaya, nihlezi emsebenzini, you are remaining in the very same. You know, sometimes puti you need to push boundaries. And uthi mfethu ngeke u-understand manje. But uyothi uma sengiqedile uthi I knew that you won't understand what I was pursuing. Now that I'm successful, it's now that you can understand it.
But ngicela ubambe la. Can I be harsh sir?
Be harsh.
Can I be harsh?
Be harsh.
Ngoba nami nami kusesikhathi nokubrusha wenzeni nani.
As long as
ngiyangicrasha wena.
Ukhiphe ivalve.
Futhi
sure.
Ungaze ube nepartner
sure
othandana naye
sure
serious relationship nalowo muntu
sure
nisakha
sure
amaphupha akafezeki
sure
nisaphusha
sure
ungaze uthi kuyena in the next coming 10 years
sure
ngizibona ngithenga iLamborghini, ngizibona ngithenga i-private jet,
sure.
Ngizibona ngihlala e-upstairs, ngizibona ngihlala kuma mansion,
sure.
Ungazumention zonke lezi zinto akuhleka athi wena futhi ngiyabaza athi wena
atsoke sibone
but usathane loyo hlukana naye ngizwi imake mabona
nayo ke mngani wami hlukana naye
ngizwe kahle ke bhuti why ngithi uSathane
sure
uSathane loyo
Sure.
mxosha hambe
sure
akathi lento mayifezeka ifezeke ngomunye umuntu wesifazane noma ifezeke ngenye indoda yena kude abukele le
sure
but awukwazi ukubenefit entweni ongazange wakholelwa kiyo at the first place
yo ngoba kunabantu abafuna ukubenefita kanti abazanga bakholela kuleyo
nto
meaning to say if your partner umtshela ukuthi nginephupho lokubuyela esikolweni nginephupho lokuthenga imoto nginephupho lokuyohlala eSandton
Sure.
angakholela ukuthi that means you are carrying a wrong passenger because of kunala uyakhona and akayi la uyakhona yemang do you know ukuthi the minute ungena etaxini the very first thing that a driver does a wise driver before asuka erenkini uqala aconfirm ukuthi wonke umuntu ola etaxini uyala
siyakhona yeah
and remember akakayiboni le ndawo akiyo mina nje makasuke eJoburg athi siye Sandton or athi asuke eThembisa athi we are going to Sandton or asuke eGauteng athi we are going to eMpumalanga into oqala azoyenza will make sure that wonke umuntu la uyeMpumalanga if awuye eMpumalanga dilika inkinga yethu futhi sigibele nabantu abangayi la siya ngakhona ingakho futhi once wagibela itaxi engayi la uya ngakhona ubona neconfusion yomuntu etaxini
kuthalo
yeah manikhuluma ilanguage ukuthi kasibani bani sayehla umona ngeconfusion ingakho ke nalomuntu othandana naye le language oyikhulumayo akayizwisisi ngoba akayi la uya ngakhona mlahle
bhuti
sure
umuntu otshala isihlahla sikapentshisa
sure
noma isihlahla sikabanana
sure
usitshala seseyimbewu
sure
and ungizwe kahle ithi imbewu sesandleni sakhe
sure
abona umthunzi kule sihlahla
sure
abona amapentshisi
sure
abona ama fruit azobe ephuma kule sihlahla
sure
yazwisisa le
sure
akakatshali that's why noma nisela
sure
unisela unalezo zinto in mind lamanzi engiwathela la
sure
akhulisa into kusasa enyoba nomthunzi kuona
sure
but asihlukane nabantu abangakholelwa kuthina
yo
but how nice it is. There's something I posted on Facebook.
Sure.
That you are blessed as a person.
Sure.
If une partner ekholela kuwena. No busekile because ungizwe kahle.
Sure.
Ithi impilo ikushaya.
Sure.
But athi no, you are not lento esindlula kuyona.
Sure.
Because ngikholela kuwena as a partner.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So but mina I believe mfethu ukuthi some of the things that delays us in life.
Sure.
Ukuthi asifuni uxosha abantu abangakholelwa kuthina whether a family member makuthi thutha kayini if kunabantu abangakholelwa kwena thutha because if awuthuthi these people into abazoyenza bazo aborta the dream that you have uma ube usisi wakho uma wakho uyakuzala ngoba mabuni ukuthi umuntu uyakuzala akusho ngeke akubulali I'm being for real because thina sibhekele into ukuthi siyaza lo muntu uyangizala ngeke angenza intembi. One of the things I discovered but
sure
at some point amazwi akhulunywa kabi kuthina
sure
akhulunywa ngabantu esibathandayo and obvious mawumthanda umuntu whatsoever lokho azokusho kubi kuhlala enhlizweni because of uba nalento ukuthi mfethu ngizinikele ngakho konke kuwena.
Sure.
How come can you say such thing mina?
kahle asishawa amazwi abantu abakhulumayo sishawa ukuthi abobani abakhuluma lawo mazwi. Who said that? You know, like, but I'm sitting down here and I'm thinking ukuthi bangaki abantu abaku depression namhlanje and they can't even recover from that depression simply because of amazwi akhuluma abazali, simply because of amazwi akhuluma ngama partner. Namhlanje uthola ukuthi umuntu confidence akasanayo noma ehamba uyambona ukuthi uhamba ngokusaba simply because of someone told them something. You know, inkinga ngamazwi yini, it's the only thing that someone can say and it kills you and uhambe uphila ufe uphila. Ingakho but I've once had someone say kungcono kuze ungishaye kunokuthi ukhuluma amazwi. So we have parents man, we have partners man that are not watering through us through positive words. But I won't lie to you. There is a man of God that I'll forever appreciate. Even though this particular man of God, it's the man of God engasindisela kulo lelabandla. What the first man of God to give me an opportunity to stand on the pulpit, I'll forever respect Umfundisi Rataga noma Mfundisi Rataga. Let me explain why. They once gave me an opportunity to minister ebandleni. I remember, man, you getting this 13, 14, I think I was 14, if not 15 years old as a boy. Banginikeza opportunity ukuthi ngishumayele. Lalela, man, it's my first time preaching in front of the church. Kuna visitors in that particular church. Kuna everyone. Wabekezelela ukuzwa le nyongo ngangiyikhuluma lela la. Mina, guess what happened, man? Mangiqeda lapha ukushumayela at that age. Yabuya yangibamba ingcono. You preached, man. You preached. Ngaba ne confidence. Guess what? Kuthe masengikhulile mvangeli around the age of 20 somewhere lapha. Manje sengine confidence. Guess what? Yashumayela inceko lapha. Atinaba bomabundela. Ngangibabekezelela ashumayela into engekho ngimtshela ukuthi hey ayikho lento ayishoyo, but this is my son and I'm not gonna tell him that lento aqeda kuyenza manje ayikho nhlobo, and I even have to correct some of the things that he said. But guess what? Akazanga wathi you're not called. Akazanga athi you're not gifted. Wabekezelela leyo nto wakhipha amazwi a positive. Guess what? Today I am who I am. Imagine, man, ngabe ngithe qeda ukushumayela that day athi bazalwane ngicela nimcolele umabunda lenyongo bekayikhuluma, I would not have the confidence that I have today. Now baningi abantu ababhidliza la kose bakhe khona.
Baningi ababhidliza la kose bakhe khona.
Ngoyangihleka manje.
Nokunento that is in my mind.
Sure.
You know what you're saying, sir.
Sure.
Kunabantu besifazane but abakwazi ukudibana nomjida.
Sure.
He's a loving guy, caring guy.
Sure.
And guess what? Masekoze kiwe enkonzweni yasekamereni. Ushaya inyongo. But guess what? That woman ushayile baby.
But why lie?
Why? Because uba nalento ukuthi I'm grooming this man. I cannot discourage him. No, but put ima ngeke put uRataga uba umfundisi ak encourage ushumayela inyongo. Obvious nanga. No. Why you said this? Okay, am I lying? It seems like ngazuthi no, it's wrong.
No, buddy, it's not wrong. But at the end of the day, if you did not do a good job, you deserve to know. Maybe not on that particular day, but some other day, someone needs to address the before. Ikolento yenza lela langa nje. Improve your grade. Sometimes you need that harsh truth.
But
lalela manga. You know why mina ngithi noma ngathi wake awuyenzanga zona. Listen, the day nihlukana, you're gonna be reminded and you'll be more crushed.
Ngizopha put thing.
Sure.
Why lento oyishoyo isebenze ngaphi ngasebenzi?
No. It cannot work everywhere. No, some things we need to address them to say before. No. You I know. That one. But no. Your level of playing, you are playing like PSG. You need to tell the players that Kaizer so we Kaizer Chiefs.
No, that one it's Mabunda saying.
Yeah.
But mina I build back on I'm just fast nabanjalo. Whereby I should uba from qala ukudibana naye. Ebe kashaya inyongo. But along the way mangilo ngimpraise. Uba for wayithola right. There are women put you like that. I wish I wish abesifazane bebakhona.
No, man. Listen to me. Iput. Do you know what happens?
Sure.
It's in two ways.
Sure.
If man weza ugqoke outfit engahlangani ngakupraise ngisho ukuthini ku kusasa uzigqoke the same outfit. Why will I change the outfit if you are telling me that the outfit is beautiful? No, man. Listen to me.
That's
Listen
why
to me.
if there was a woman here,
Mango.
that's why manje ngizothula because there's no second part who can. Maybe some they will comment.
We should get a ghost lady.
Yeah. No, they will come
and verify. Man, if uqoke outfit, let's say uqoke skipper esiyelo, nembrukeli meruni, neyicathulo eziblu.
Sure.
The day uvela uqoke le icathulo lezo, sipraise sithi mang.
Sure.
I put you was what.
Are
you aware? We are saying to you, say you have dressed well. That the way uqoke ngakhona. Nakusasa ngeke kusashintsha makunama event at top uyovela ngale same outfit injalo ke lento leni if ungitshele ukuthi man what udlale zona yini into ezongenza ngishintsha ama tactics wami because you said my style of playing it's well so I'll continue playing the same formula, the same method, the same scheme. Yabona sa last week. Kanti lesa scheme, the truth is it's better. As a result, my scheme is better. You may not address it immediately. To say, hey man, your level of football, it's not footballing. You are doing Kaizer Chiefs. You're not becoming you're not playing that standard. You get what I'm saying? But you come and tell me, find a way to say, the last match, Chief, you are not playing. But find a proper way to address it. You cannot continue praising something that is not working.
So, okay. Ungizwe kahle ke.
Sure.
Ba ukhona umuntu uThumboni ugcoke kabi.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Uyasho emfethu wagcoka kahle. Yangizwa? But ngiyacela next time uzama ukwenza 1 2 no 3. This is how women they do now. Bafo, hey cha ngiyabonga wazwang. Next time ngicela umane ungiphendule or ungenze 1 2. Ezalent.
Sure.
You will not gonna put. That's why ngithi this words goes a long way.
Sure.
Uyamthanda lo muntu you can put kunzima ukaddress umuntu omthandayo.
Sure.
Especially in that man.
Sure.
Siyasam uyayenza into yakho but ngiyacela ukuthi next time ungibhekisele next time wenze 1 2 no 3 yes ngiyayilungisa
ngamanye amagama uthi sebenzisa istyle saka Big Zulu
isibless
washo Big Zulu ecula athi inkomo ngiyayibrusha bese ngiyayihlaba
yebo so it's more ukuthi mfethu ngiyabonda but
it's fine
that's why if bakhona abantu besifazane lana who have encountered this thing and wadibana nomuntu thothi ushama red bun
udlalisa weKaizer
yeah please comment because it's better when there's a third party especially who's a female
yeah but also I think it also depends ngama ego wabantu yabona amanye amajita ngeke ubatshele leyo
yeah
you would have I think it also depends on number of factors but at the end of the day the truth needs to be spoken. But we brush njengoba usho but I'm not crashing what you are saying I'm saying but the manner and the approach sasingekho lapho
I
think we can continue from this point.
Sure.
You get what I'm saying? To say kunokwenzeka njengomzali ube nomntwana that is passionate about football.
Sure.
But you can see ukuthi alivuhi ibhola. It's the truth, man.
And it's the truth.
Yeah. But as a parent, you need to find a way to say, my son, zama something ungavela uthi mbo straight yazi na khona idlala iphone yeke as a parent find a way to say son have you tried 1 2 3 4 5 you get what I'm saying because of sinenkinga nabazali ababona that we are not gifted in certain areas but bas crash that we are not gifted in those certain areas and still not recommend the strength that they see in us. If you can see the weakness in me, do not only address the weakness in me, find a way to also show me my strength. Because kusiza ngani but umuntu umcrash kanti ngeke uzumbuild. So if you are going to crush a person and if you are not you are going to tell a person lento ozama ukuyenza akusiyi, please kindly show that particular person into lokho sayenza.
Can we go deeper sir?
Let's go deeper.
Ayikho ke yabona laba bangiceda ke lapha.
Sure.
Labo ukuthi they are saying nothing mawusakha
Sure.
abasho lutho
Sure.
into uyicala from scratch
Sure.
ikhulu into
Sure.
bangasho lutho
Sure.
but wenza iphuthe elincane seyinkulu into
Sure.
bese baba namazwi
Yo.
ayikho into ebhlungu njengaleyo nto mabuntu
Sure.
awusho next uma ngisakha
Sure.
but ngingaze ngicede ukwakha wena social something no that's wrong
That's wrong.
and the worst lento ngiyakhe kanzima
Sure.
lento ngiyakhe with pain ngiyakhe with sweat
Sure.
with umjuluko with tears
Sure.
but the time isakhula leyo nto wena usho next
Yo.
then noma secala sekwenzeka nje iphuthe elincane wena usucala uyakhona iyafana lento but nakuma relationships
Sure.
whereby umuntu mfethu
Wenza
kahle you love this person wenza yonke into for this person but wenza nje iphuthe elincane sekakhuluma manje amagama abhlungu you are useless wena yathi mangikuthengela lo chocolate wathula mangikuthengela impahla wathula mangikusupport into enezinhle wathula but this whole thing encane it crashes everything then usucala uyakhulu but ayikho into ebhlungu njengaleyo nto.
Can I say this statement? When I say this thing, I want to watch the whole of South Africa and the whole of Africa. Ebafethu, if you have never complimented us when we're doing good, you have no right to criticize us when we go off-road.
Shut up.
Njengoba wathula uma senza kahle, njengoba wathula sizama sincenga wathula lalela hayi ngoba bongasiboni bowusibona kodwa wathula ngamabono yini into kunikeza amandla ukuthi ukhulume the day sisephutheni angazi if it makes sense ngoba kubhlungu manga lento ukuthi abantu bayavela hayi abosibuka bomabunda or usibanibani benze lokho uthuleleni the time enza kahle ngoba if you can be with me when I'm doing well and you compliment I will understand man ukuthi your criticism it's not from a point of jealousy angazi if it makes sense but the criticism evela kumuntu one jealous yile evela without the compliment
okushuthi mangabe wakha
sure
yamkela amazwi
sure
omuntu okwakhuluma usakha
sure
noma sophezulu whatsoever kushowe kwamkela
sure
compared to ukuthi umuntu athula usakha
sure
the time kwakhiwa kasho ngaze uphakama wenza iphuthe encane sekakhuluma lo muntu loyo nje shut up but lo othi noma uphansi wake washo something noma sophezulu washo something ungamkhohlwa lo muntu because mina I won't lie but ngidla ngikhona namhlanje it's because amazwi akhuluma kumina a positive mina kuno okay eka kuno malume
sure
bese kuba nomama kuba nomama mkhulu nabo mamncane
sure
uncle washada umfazi
sure
wathatha umfazi
sure
simbiza malimekazi
sure
I remember during that time whereby ngicala ukusindiswa
sure
it was a pressure esikolo and the calling that was upon my life
sure
she was the first person ekhaya ukuthi akholelwe kulento engiyona
yo
yokuthi angizoba umfundisi mina
yo
out of all
yo
even though abanye bebangebasho asibuka sikholela kwena but you can tell by the looks bruh,
they don't believe
this thing of yours is not going anywhere.
You know when you're speaking like this Neput you are reminding me there's someone that I don't give her enough flowers in my life.
Sure.
This
It's
particular body she believes in who I am way before the fame way before ngazi how to articulate myself very well when preaching that particular person wake wangithengela ibheke labefundisi ngisasemncane bhuti wangithengela iBhayibheli wangithengela idiary and that particular is my sister usesithembi mabunda she believed even right now when I was birthday she bought me two things she bought me a book called How to Discover Your Purpose by I forgot the name of the author I think Rick Warren and also wangithengela another Bible remember this is not the first time she bought a Bible she bought it when I was young even now she bought it ngamanye amagama kunabantu abazobona lento ekuwe bakholelwe kuyo bayisupport financially bayisupport nangama resources abanawo okusho ukuthi we deserve mango, just like ushilo now, we deserve to appreciate those people, because of what if she had not bought the Bible, maybe I would not know how to read the Bible by now. Okusho ukuthi puti that sister onayo ekhaya okuthengela ama soccer boots, that sister onayo ekhaya okuthengela incwadi ezihlukahlukene, honor and respect those sisters, honor and respect those brothers. Abanye but bahamba mawuthi ngiyadlala this weekend, ngiyodlala ibhola, if you love soccer they come and show up. Abanye mawuthi esikolweni we have a dance competition, they come and show up. You know, but we do not appreciate abantu abacontributayo enough kulezinto esifuna ukuziba ngizo. Who knows, but maybe uthi ngifuna ukuyogola bakunikeza imali. Those people, man, we need to appreciate them.
But I was still safe here. That's deep, man. We've went.
Sivad.
Yeah.
My last words.
Sure.
If you were not there during my struggle, you don't deserve to be there during my celebration.
Sure.
I'll repeat that.
Harsh, but it's the truth.
It's the truth. Number 2, if you have never said anything positive about me and anything positive in my life, you don't have any right to say anything negative about me. And most importantly, Bafetu, I pray to every young person that is full of dreams out there. Guna lende sibiza uti iflita. And iflita puti ilento, okay, angazi emakaya wakula, probably you know this.
Sure.
Emakaya guna lento yokuti, how can I put this thing? La stampa khona, okay, is safe.
Ukusefa, yeah.
Ukusefa.
Yeah, ukusefa umhlabathi.
Abantu abakhayo mang bayisebenzisa isafe. Okusho ukuthi ke amazwi a representa isanti, and isanti ayizikuphela inganamatshe. Ngamanye amagama, njengoba uphesiwa ama dreams wakho and your goals, kwamele ube ne safe ezosefa amazwi a right nalawa angekho right. Ngamanye amagama uma usema Zikishawa yini uyeshe ngakhona
no nyawa digesta food.
Hayi ma,
Okay, kuna mtokese.
hayi ma,
But manu ushite na manda.
hayi man. Come on, Chief, don't do that, man. Okay, let me try to repeat myself very well. Fine.
Okay, that's okay, man. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Uma umuntu azowaka, uthatha isanti,
Sure.
athatha isafe. Isanti ayizi isanti yodwa, kodwa iza inamatshe ngaphakathi. And amatshe awadingeki la sakha khona, ola siyoplastela khona. Kubalulekile kuze sisefe amazwi avele ebantwini. Singathathi noma yini. Ngoba uma singathatha noma yini, sizodisturbeka la kosa siplastele khona. Avethu, real talk with amadoda nyakazi so.
Man.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To those that wish to give, once again, the account below. Those who wish to sponsor the real talk, yeah.
And ngakhohlwa abantwana basekhaya siyanthanda, and thank you so much, man, for those who are watching the real talk, and we are hoping to grow bafowethu. Kahle we are not hoping, the intention is to grow, and bafowethu siyanthanda kakhulu, niqhubeke njalo ni share, ngizwe ngawuthi yabayishare muswayithu, yeah, ni share I real talk bafowethu. La iqiniso kuphela selikhulumayo, nothing enye into amadoda anyazi.
Lastly and most importantly, please note, very important announcement, we are uploading twice ama video in a week. So upload a Tuesday and also Friday. So make sure that you press that notification bar so that you become notified when the podcast goes out. We love you. Have a blessed night. Danko.